In this video, I will show you how to embed your Google Meet link into your Google Classroom. Making things accessible and simple for your students will help them gain independence as they learn to navigate the online platform for your class. It is important to note that your school district has to give you permission to embed Google Meet link into Google Classroom. If your district has not purchased Google for Education or is unable to give you permission, you will have to manually copy and paste your Google Meet link to your Google Classroom. For the purpose of this video, we will learn to embed the link as if our district has given us permission. To do so, you will start from your Google Classroom homepage. Then you will go to the settings, the gear symbol, click on that, and then you will scroll down to General. Once you see the Meet option, stop there. You will click on the drop-down menu to set a Google Meet link. And then make sure you hit the toggle for visible to students. This will help your link stay visible to the students. So once you have that, you will go ahead and click Save. And then you will come back to the home page for your Google Classroom. As you can see here on top of your home page, there is this Meet link option. This is where your students will see your Google Meet link as well. It will stay here all the time, so students can just come to your Google Classroom, click on the link, and be on the way to the Google Meet.